I'm going to talk about my personal interpretation on the sine rule for multiplication. A positive times a negative is still a negative. This one is really easy to understand. So minus 4 times 2, we get minus 8, for example. So 2 minus 4, which is minus 4 and minus 4. So we get minus 8 here. So the second thing based on that is a negative times a negative is still positive. So it's quite hard for me at the first point, but later I am thinking the negative sign as this. Negative is the reverse. So 2 negative, which is reverse twice. So basically it's like reverse and reverse. Okay. Still use the minus 4 times 2 as example. Minus 2 times minus 2 equal 8 as example. So we know minus 4 times 2 equal minus 8 based on our previous one. So here 0. So 2 minus 4 we get minus 8. And right now we times minus 8 by with minus 1. So reverse this one again to here. So we get 8. We can think as negative sign represent reversal, and additive inverse cancel the original. One example is 5 plus minus 5, which we get 0. Normally, minus sign will represent reversal, and a positive sign represent means maintain the same. Okay. So which means 2 minus sign minus plus minus, we get positive. So reverse and then reverse. Reverse of the reverse is original. Similarly, in a function, say like this, a function. For example, f of x we defined as x squared. F of 2 is 4. F of minus 2 is also 4. And if you draw the graph for this, which is something like this, my graph is not perfect, so here should be connected. Okay, so this is x squared. So we say f of 2 around here, f of 2 reflect across y-axis here, when input is reversed to f of minus 2. There's a lot of interesting about the minus sign and the positive sign. And this is all thing I want to say for today's personal interpretation on the sign rules for multiplication. Thank you.